If you want Chrome to help you understand foreign language content in real time, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Live Translate on Google Chrome, step by step, so you can translate web pages automatically and also turn on live translation for audio and video captions. This is a super useful feature if you browse websites in different languages, watch videos from other regions, or just want a faster way to understand content without constantly copying and pasting text into a translator. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three vertical dots to open the main menu, then select Settings. This is where Chrome keeps all of its language and accessibility options. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Languages. This section controls how Chrome handles different languages on websites and in the browser itself. Now, find the Google Translate section. If Chrome supports translation on your device, you should see a toggle for Use Google Translate. Turn that switch on. This allows Chrome to detect foreign text on web pages and offer instant translations when you visit pages in another language. After enabling it, Chrome can prompt you to translate pages automatically, which makes browsing much easier if you often visit international sites. Now, let's move on to live translation for audio and video. Go back to the Chrome settings menu and click Accessibility. In this section, look for Live Caption and turn the master switch on. Chrome may take a moment here because it will download the necessary text recognition files in the background, so give it a few seconds to finish. Once Live Caption is enabled, look directly beneath it for Live Translation, which may also appear as Translate Captions depending on your version of Chrome. Toggle Live Translation on. This feature helps Chrome translate spoken audio into captions in real time, which is incredibly helpful for videos, meetings, podcasts, and other media in languages you may not understand. At this point, you've enabled both automatic web page translation and live translation features in Chrome. So there you have it. That's how to enable Live Translate on Google Chrome the easy way. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another useful Chrome tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.